Mitra, alarm is ringing. Put it off. Mm, 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 mm. Mitra, 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 where is she? Hmm? Hmm. Mitra, where are you? Hmm? Hmm? Mitra? Mitra? Hmm? Hmm? Mitra, where are you? Hmm? Hmm? Mitra, are you down? Mitra? Where did she go? Mitra? 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 Mitra?
Good morning, come.
I'm looking for you upstairs. What are you doing here?
Hey, because you're sleeping so well, I didn't disturb you. Why? Got scared? Why are you getting so scared? Yeah, I'm here, no. Okay, dear, come, we'll go
Come.
inside.
Come. Huh? Huh?
What happened? What happened? Hey,
Ah,
what happened,
Devil!
Tell me, why did you come
I
here
heard
now?
some sounds. I saw.
Where you heard the noise?
Upstairs. I saw. Upstairs.
What?
Devil.
Devil? Okay, wait, I'll go and see. Wait.
Don't leave. No,
Hey,
don't leave.
Leave
don't
me, yeah.
Don't leave. No,
Let me
no,
just
no,
see.
No,
You
no.
be here, I'll come.
Ah, 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 ah.
Hey, nothing is there, yeah. Why are you getting so feared?
There itself. I saw the devil.
Hey,
No, I'm telling you, I saw.
there's nothing there.
I'm telling you, I saw. Come, first we'll leave from here.
Hey,
we'll leave from
listen
here.
to me.
Come.
Your friend might have seen something and got scared, madam.
No, Chari sir. In that building, something mysterious is happening.
What are you saying, madam?
Yeah, in that building, I can hear some mysterious noises too. Why all these things are happening? Who are doing all these? I can't even understand.
Now what we should do, ma'am?
I can't understand that. If client gets to know all this, I don't know what will happen to the deal.
Why are you taking unnecessary tension, madam? Anyway, you are giving the keys within 5 days, right? Till then, somehow we will manage.
But still, this is unfair, sir. If somebody comes and cheat us means, can we also do the same way?
Then we have to do something, ma'am.
Even I am thinking the same.
Shall I give you one idea, madam? In our village, there will be ghost hunters, madam. We will call them. They'll tell whether the ghost is there or not, madam. This is only the solution, madam.
Will that really happen? Will we get somebody like that? Now, where will they be?
What, brother? You're saying you won't give the amount only? What, you're acting too much, ah?
Nothing like that, brother. I told him that I'll give you back. He gave you the wrong information, brother.
No, brother, if I say your name also, he's saying I don't know.
No, brother. Knowing that you're people, will I not give, brother?
What, man? You don't know me only, ah? Respectfully return my money. I'll leave you alive. What? Understood, ah? Hey, by this evening, if you don't give the money, that's it. Understood, ah?
Okay, brother. By evening, I'll return all the money, brother.
If you don't give, that's it. Go, man.
Just taking money for one time. Every day they're hitting me.
Hi, brother. Come sit. What, brother? After a long time you came. How are you?
Oh, I'm good only.
From many days you didn't came here only. Is everything fine?
Everything is okay, but there is small problem.
Problem? What problem do you have?
That one small problem.
What is that? Say, brother. Is anyone troubling you or what? If I get to know who is he, I'll break his bones.
Every time this work only, huh?
Leaving this, what work I have? Okay, say, what is your problem? Tell, brother.
Brother, phone.
Shit, this fellow. There is nothing like that. No, sir.
What happened?
I have someone. If I say him to beat, he'll kill only.
Look, Dharma, you are a family man. You should avoid these things even after seeing also.
15 crores property, brother. You are asking to give in 2 crores. How it is possible, brother? I have my family. Please show some sympathy.
Dharma, I told you to call and come, not to take your leg. Be happy. Take 2 crores and leave. Drink 2 pegs and leave happily from here. If you say no for this now, tomorrow is second day and the day after tomorrow is third day. Your entire family will be killed. Govinda.
Leave me, brother. Please give the paper. I'll sign it. Don't do anything for me and my family.
You are the right person, Dharma. Do signature. You? Who are you, man? Smoking on my face only? Hey, kill him!
Hey,
Huh?
who am I speaking about? It's already been 2 seconds that I've finished him.
Take, sir, 2 crores. Taking money from him is not wrong. So, no.
To stop all the bad people, there will be a good person, you know.
Take, sir.
We came now.
Come, my boy, come.
Good morning, sir.
Ah. What you have didn't come.
What did I do, sir?
What, boy? I said to take and come the money from the builder. You bet and came.
He spoke too much. That is why he got it from me. Who will give you money if it's asked with respect?
For that, you'll beat, From him, we can do too much business.
That will be looked after, sir. He will be constructing buildings and we'll keep taking money from him. You don't overthink unnecessarily, sir. Sir, I'm feeling too hungry. Hey, what's there for food inside?
Biryani is there, brother.
Biryani, yeah.
Huh.
Then let's go.
He is only my problem. Fine. Say your problem, brother.
I need one correct person. You should not be scared of anything. You said right. Need killer guy rather than giving warning. If I say correctly, the one guy who went inside now, right? Want that type of guy. That guy only.
That fellow. Why, brother?
Send him, brother. I need it, I said right.
Your wish.
Then what's up, sir?
Vicky. He's Chari, my friend.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
He has one problem. Go see and come.
Okay, sir.
Thanks, brother.
Okay, brother.
See you, sir.
Okay.
You wait here. I'll go in and get the madam here.
Madam? What the...
Who is this, sir? He looks so rough, sir. He looks like a rowdy. Sir, don't you get scared with the devils? What, sir?
He is not a ghost hunter, madam. He is a local rowdy.
What? Why did you get him, sir, then? Time waste.
Not like that, madam. I have searched ghost hunters everywhere, madam. Couldn't find anybody, madam. Finally, I found him. He is very courageous than what we think. And if you pay him, he'll do anything to anyone. For that Bangla guy, he is the correct person to deal with.
I don't know. I feel we are taking a big risk. If something happens to him also, we'll be guilty.
You don't worry, madam. I am there, no, madam. I will take care of everything. Shall I call him, madam?
Huh? It's okay, it's okay.
Huh?
I will only come.
This is our madam. Her name is Mitra.
I thought
What
madam
is this
meant an
fellow?
old lady.
He's
But she
staring
looks
like this?
fabulous.
Hello. What? What are you doing?
Nothing, madam. This bald person bought me here, saying I gotta work for you. So I was just planning the work, just by scanning you. Nicely scan.
Hello. Don't talk too much. I called you for work. You don't have to scan me, okay? We have to scan you.
Huh? What are you talking, madam? Do you even know who's this Vicky? Okay, then go and scan me.
Huh. Big overacting he's doing. Okay, okay. Do the job correctly.
You first tell me what is the work. I will decide how it should be done.
What, Chari sir? Didn't you tell him his job?
That, madam? I thought you will only tell him directly.
Nothing else. You have to stay in a building for 5 days. We'll give money for that.
Staying there? By doing what?
You have to just stay there.
Huh? That's it? I do know that people who have money give it away. But will they give it for doing nothing? Definitely. I am okay with the deal.
But that's not an ordinary building. They say in that building some devil is there. You don't get scared of ghosts, right?
Come again. Ghost, is it? You all still believe all such nonsense. Okay, if it exists, what would it still do? Humans are only capable of hurting them. Did you still get it? That one. In the name of Lord, I condemn you back to hell. The ones who talk all of this.
But you know what? Already 2 died in that building.
Oh.
What? You'll do or go?
I'll do it.
Okay, tell me how much do you need?
This I'll tell you after the work is done. You guys don't be scared. You won't face any problems from today. The devil from the building will run away.